好的 ，K4 的同学们，你好吗？好，today is November 25th. It's a Monday. This is the last 2 days before our Thanksgiving break. 好的，can you still remember what did we learn last week in the math and science class? Okay, look at this students' work. So those are 4 trees, but those 4 trees looks different. Yes, we learned the 4 seasons last week. So let's say that together. 四季，四季。四季 means the 4 seasons throughout the year in Chinese. Alright, so we can tell the differences between the trees in different seasons. Alright, the first season usually comes for, in like March and April, we say 春天, 春天. So 春天 means right here, the first one. Spring. Very good. So you can see the tree, there are sprout and leaves start coming out during the spring. Okay. The season next to after spring is 夏天. 夏天. So 夏天 is summer. 夏天 means summer. And the trees got all the leaves. Okay. And green color. And full of leaves. And the weather is hot, right? Alright, the season after summer, we say 秋天. 秋天. 好，秋天 means autumn or fall. The leaves turn yellow and fall off from the tree, right? And drop from the tree. Okay. The last season, maybe the season during Christmas, 好的，冬天，冬天。好， so 冬天 means winter. That's the cold season of the year. And maybe sometimes you can see some trees are green, like the pine trees, and most of the trees are like their leaves fall off, right? Okay. Alright. And also, last Thursday we did our Thanksgiving rotation, right? So Miss Gao delivered a lesson about the Chinese Thanksgiving Day. So in Chinese, we still have a festival kind of similar with the Thanksgiving here. We call it Mid-Autumn Day. Right here. Mid-Autumn Day. It's during the middle of the fall, and we celebrate this holiday with your family. Okay? So we did some, we usually, as a tradition, we had some special activity to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Day. For example, those traditions belong to Mid-Autumn Day. Can you still remember? We watched the video and we watched a couple of, the pictures. Okay, the family dinner, you eat together with your family, right? And we eat mooncake. Mooncake is a kind of snack or dessert we eat during the Mid-Autumn Day. And we watch the moon. The moon is big and round. We watch the moon. And also we eat some fruits, some seasonal fruit. And the lady, a fairy tale, moved to the moon. Okay? That's the story. And the kids gonna play with each other with lanterns. Okay? So in Chinese, we say the Mid-Autumn Day, we call Mid-Autumn Day, we say 中秋节. Okay, one more time. 中秋节. 好，中秋节 means Mid-Autumn Day or Mid-Autumn Festival. Okay. All right. Okay. And also we did a activity with Miss Gay that day because I was sick. What's the number? 15. I know, you say 15. 好，15 means 15 in Chinese, right? 15 in Chinese. 好 So we learned using different ways to represent the same number. For example, 15, we can use these 4 different ways, like the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the one set, one group are 5. So 3 groups, 5, 10, 15. All together, this whole big group represents 15. Okay, that is the first way we represent 15. A second way we use dice, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 5是5，然后中间这个 in the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 The last one also 5. So 5, 5, 5 all these 3 dices together make the number 15. 15，好吧？Another way we can just like draw items like dots. So the dots we can count together also 15 15. 好 The last part we just practice writing 15. And I want to point it out 15 15第一个 the first one 对吗？还是不对？不对。Because the 5 backwards, but the second one, third one, and the fourth one are correct. So remember, write the 5, the number 5, correct, not backwards. Okay? 好，那么今天 today we learned what we learned today. 好，大于小于等于，对不对？大于小于等于。好 we learned the greater than, equal to, and less than. This is an anchor chart we sort during the class. So greater than means the first number is greater than the second number. Okay, like 4 greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 3. For example, 5 greater than 3, we say 5大于3 5大于3 means 5 is greater than 3. Alright, the middle section 小于means less than. So 3 is less than 6, 1 is less than 7, 5 is less than 8. In Chinese, we're going to say 5小于8 means 5 is less than 8. The last part means equal to. So we're going to say 等于means equal to in Chinese. So we can see all the 3 sets, both of the numbers in each group equal to each other. Okay? So the first one, 6等于6 6等于6 means 6 is equals to 6 equals to 6 equals to 6. 好的。好 look at the anchor chart. 大于 means greater than. 小于 less than. 等于 equals to. we did an activity. So we compare those two numbers in each group. 好, the first one using these three signs. 大于小于等于大于小于等于好 5 is greater than 2 5大于2 3等于3 1等于1好 1 is equal to 1 1 and 1 are equal 6小于9 6小于9 6 is less than 9 4 is less than 8 10大于7 10 is bigger than 7好 greater than less than equal to And also, I have selected some other students' work. We just let's just take a view, take a look, and as a review, okay? 好，四季means the 4 seasons throughout the year, right? 四季 there are 4 seasons. The first one, 春天 Second, 夏天 hot weather, 夏天 The third one, leaves turn brown and yellow, 秋天 Last one, during this time, cold, 冬天好的 those are the 4 seasons of the year in Chinese. I think I have one more student's work. Okay, this is also the review number 15 using different ways to represent number 15, okay? How? These students, I think she select pretty nice colors for the season, the trees in the 4 seasons too. 好，春天 nice weather, 春天 Second, 夏天 hot weather, 夏天秋天 cool weather, 秋天 The last season, the latest season of the year, cold, 冬天好 winter 好的 this is a quick review of our last week and today's material, and please review this video from today until this Sunday, and a new one will coming, I think maybe Sunday or next Monday. 好的 K4 同学们 I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening. 好，明天见 means see you tomorrow. 明天见 see you tomorrow. 明天见